Nokia 3650 disassembly. You need Torx Plus driver size 6, a straight-bladed screwdriver, metal tweezers, a torque driver for tightening screws, SRT6 opening tool, and SRT7 camera removal tool. These are all the separate parts. Protect LCD window and camera window with a foil. Unlock A cover and separate it from B cover. Protect inner side of window and remove key mat. Remove 6 screws in the following order. Remove engine from B cover. Take SRT6 when unlocking the display connector carefully. Now, separate UI module from radio module. Unlock shield clips on the right side first. Take away shield and gasket. UI metal shield is attached with 3 clips. UI PWB module can be taken away easily. Press earpiece from LCD module. Remove the rest of adhesive tape if needed. Tip out antenna from B cover. Use tweezers as lever when removing vibromotor. Press IR window to outside and then pull it up. Remove power key. Do not bend the spring contacts when removing the battery connector. System connector is fixed with a connector retainer. Loosen connector retainer with SRT7. Remove microphone. Unlock camera shield with screwdriver. Place SRT7 in the direction of green and not the red arrows. Unlocking the camera goes very easily. Do not damage the camera by using unnecessary force. Now, disassembly procedure is completed.